This could be the car for you. The 2021 Nissan Titan. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The bold styling of this powerful Titan is just the start. This full-size pickup delivers the strength and capability you need to meet the challenge. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control. Feel the exhilaration of full-size power in this Titan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.